So a lot of you guys are going to college, me included. I'm excited, and I'm excited for you too. But with that comes student loans, okay? Nobody wants to talk about student loans. People always say, oh, it'll be fine. You pay through college, just take out a loan. But a lot of people don't really understand what that means and what comes with it, you know? A lot of times, you know, either your parent will do it for you, you know, or you'll get a loan and you got all the thousands in the bank and everything's looking good until the school, you know, and they take all that. So now you're broke because the school took all your money and you owe it all back plus interest. Not fun, right? Well, I'm telling you, it is not that big of a deal. 69% of college students have to take out student loans. But what if I told you that you could turn that loan into an 800 plus credit score? Want to find out? Roll the intro. Yo, what is going on, guys? I'm Josh Dawson and this is Primal Commerce, and on this channel we talk about finance, credit, career strategy, lifestyle, everything, man. We get it done on this channel. And in today's video I want to talk about student loans. Like I said, 69% of college students are in your boat and have to take out a student loan. But where it gets tricky is, you know, a lot of people don't really know what comes with that, what comes with missing payments, but also on the other hand, they don't know what comes with making on-time payments and the good that can come from it. So you want to know how to get a crazy high credit score with your student loans. Just pay it. Seriously, that's it. Just pay it. Like, just video over. Yes, guys, you can have an amazing credit score if you just pay off all your installment payments on time. You'll be good, but it is so much more to it than that. So basically, your credit score has a bunch of different categories that make up the total score. And 10% of that is called credit diversity. What that means is how many different lines of credit that you have. The more lines, the more can help your credit score rise. 15% of your score is built off of credit length, meaning how long you've had your different lines of credit. Someone who's been building credit for 2 months will have a lower score than someone who's been building their credit for 2 years. And finally, one of the most important pillars of your credit, 35% of your score is made up by payment history, which just means how often and how long have you been making on-time payments. So I just threw a bunch of numbers, threw a bunch of percents at you. You know, what does that mean? What I'm saying is 60% of your credit score is directly affected by on-time student loan payments. This logic doesn't just apply to student loans, it also applies to debt reconsolidation loans and different types of personal loans and, you know, mortgages, all of that stuff. But definitely student loans is where it can help you and benefit you the most, because most student loans are over a very, very long stretch of time, whether it's, you know, 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, you know, they're pretty big loans. So on-time payments can help you and expand your credit score tremendously. We live in a society where, you know, having loans is a kind of focal and big piece and centerpiece of people's credit scores. So having a, you know, personal loan can definitely help build your credit score. It's kind of meant to, if you're making payments on time and not going delinquent on your payments. You know, missing a payment can really set you back. Like I talked about in my student loan video before, missing a payment can really get you into some rough stuff, increase your interest rate, make your score go down, and just make life not pretty. Luckily for you, people think, oh, I'm going to be in a 30-year loan or 15-year loan. That's a lot of debt. But what that means is you generally have some lower monthly payments because you're stretching out that loan for such a long amount of time. So it will be a little bit easier to go ahead and pay those monthly payments without really an issue. So pay your loan off on time, high credit score. Okay, but what if you don't really know where to start about, you know, getting a student loan? You heard about it, maybe you're late in the process, maybe you need one. You know, what are some good lenders that give low interest rates and are fair? Now, realistically, if you're in this college process, banks have probably been knocking down your door trying to get you to sign up for this loan or that loan, and advertising this interest rate, and pay back grace periods and all that. So definitely look through your email, look through the different offers that you have. There's a lot of different lenders, there's a lot of different banks that are handling these loans, but let me try to give you a rough sketch and kind of narrow down some of the better ones. At the time of this recording, College Ave is ranked #1 in student loan lenders. They offer extremely low interest rates, anywhere between 3 and 13% interest rates, depending on credit and some other things. Another great lender is Sallie Mae. They are very widespread, very popular among college students. And on the traditional bank side of things, Discover has some great student loan programs, and so does Citizens Bank. But really just look at your options, look at your local banks, and see what's been offered to you so you can make the best loan decision for you and your family. So listen guys, this college loan stuff can be very scary, but trust me, if you take the time, look at some of the options available to you, and just know what you're getting yourself into, it can be very beneficial to you. Listen, you're not alone. It's okay to be scared. A lot of people, actually mostly everybody who goes to college, has to deal with this. So you're fine, you're not alone, and just make the right decisions and be responsible in college, and keep your loans in the forefront of your mind, and be proactive about getting these things paid down, and you will be set. So listen guys, I hope you learned something today. This is a very kind of quick and compact video. I want to let you guys know that I appreciate you. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, guys. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, smash that notification bell. It helps me, it really does. The more you guys do that, the more my channel spreads and I can grow and do more content for you guys. Go ahead and check out Strive 850, the credit community that I started. I'm giving you guys tips on credit, how to build it, tips, all that good stuff. The link for the Facebook group will be down in the description box below. I appreciate it and love you guys. Peace.